Hi, I'm Nate Moore. This is Excel video 228. I spent some time yesterday helping a group pull all of the parameters and filters and settings off of their saved reports in their PM system, dump those in a separate lookup file so now they can run all those saved reports in Excel. When you're ready to upgrade your reporting, let's talk. What I want to do today is kind of take a step back on the basics. We've kind of followed through the menus, and here's the order that things are in the menus. What I want to do is, as maybe a different way to look at some basics in Excel, I want to talk about 3 different ways to get your data into Excel to start with. That's what I want to cover today, 3 ways to get data in Excel. From the File menu, the first way is to just click New. Click on a blank workbook, and here's a brand new spreadsheet where you can just start typing your data into Excel. You can type the headings and the different rows and columns and whatever you need to do, and then what we can do is just kind of work as we go along, customize and make exactly like we want it to look. So one way to get your data into Excel is simply from the New menu. A second way would be to open an existing spreadsheet. So you can click the Open button and click on Excel Basics. That's the spreadsheet we're playing with. That's maybe one way to open a spreadsheet. And again, this time we're opening existing data as opposed to new data. Another way to get at a recently used spreadsheet, instead of going through Open and finding the folder and all that kind of stuff, you can simply click on Recent and Excel Basics, and now I've got that data that I can play with in Excel. So if I have existing data, it's easy to open, or from the Recent menu, pick a recently used spreadsheet and play with that data in Excel. Let me show you a third way to get data into Excel that may be helpful for you. Let's say you've got a spreadsheet that maybe you got from a different source or somebody else in your organization is using it, but you need some of that data on your spreadsheet. You could always do a file and save as and get the whole spreadsheet and play with it that way. If you just need one tab, you might try this. I've named this tab down here Cut Copy, and if I right click that tab and go to Move or Copy, what I can do is I can either move the spreadsheet or let's create a copy of it. So I'm going to leave my colleague or wherever I got this spreadsheet initially from, I'm going to leave their data alone. But I'm going to say Create a Copy, and I'm going to go to a new book and click OK. And now what Excel does is I've got a brand new book. Excel's calling it Book 4. And there's my cut copy data, just that worksheet tab, and I took a copy of it from the existing worksheet and did right click, move or copy, create a copy, and then I can move it to an open workbook or a new workbook or wherever it is I want to go. I can either create a copy, or if I don't check that and I pick a destination and click OK, Excel will simply move it. It won't be in my old location anymore. It'll only be in my new location. So again, pretty simple video today. Either new, open, or recent, whichever way works better for you on an existing spreadsheet. Or if you've got existing content, you just need one tab from it, right-click that tab and then move or copy will get that data where you want to go. Stay tuned next time. I want to show you another way to get data into Excel that we haven't covered yet. Thanks for watching.